Yeah, this is Paul Moore, the crazy Canadian. I just thought I'd let you guys in on a little secret, the newest Canadian invention. This is the Canadian patented Canadian dovetail system. Here's the new beauty right down here. You see it right here. We got our chainsaw mounted right into our table saw bed here, and we're driving her right down here with a high-powered electric motor to keep the noise down. She works perfect for cutting dovetails, and you'll be able to see this at every woodworking show. So we'll just turn this baby on and finish off cutting these dovetails right here. You want to make sure your sleeves are rolled up, otherwise you might get all wrapped up in your work, if you know what I mean. Boy, that cuts smooth. Might be just a little tear out here on the back, but you don't want to worry about that. Fast and furious is like what this I want to say. Fast and furious is like I want to say. Fast and furious is like I want to say. And she works perfect.